name is Lady Marcela Carvajal. I am 29 years old. I like in Portuguese Primario. I work in rural arts. I am in the environmental engineer program of Ceres Valle del Gómez. I like to travel for new place and do new things. I am not very pattern. I do like the disorder. The monument born in Portuguese in 2012 honors the 70th anniversary of the foundation on the town. It is made in bronze and represents the four characters symbol the historical events that mark the development of Portuguese. It is designer was Arnold Ojeda. It represents the Capuchin friars who discovered the area. The peasant who just live in the food to the territory. The indigenous native of the ancestral territory and the soldiers who they likes to defend this territory that sought towards the nation of Peru. The monument is located in the center of the municipality, a few steps from the mayor's office and may park exactly in the wrong point. Thank you very much your attention and invited you to know the monument of the foundation of Portuguese. I am attentive. Thank you.